In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to promote Amazon affiliate links using an updated and beginner-friendly method. This strategy is simple, it works for complete beginners, and you don't need a website, paid ads, or any premium tools. Everything you'll see in this video can be done using the free version of Canva. So let's jump right in. Before we get started, it's important to understand how this method works. To promote products from Amazon, you need to have an Amazon Associates account. Your Amazon Associates account allows you to generate affiliate links for products on Amazon. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Amazon Associates stripe at the top of the page. Now, if I open any product, let's say I search for something like Clean Girl Aesthetics, you'll see a variety of products. If I click on one of these products, such as a claw clip, I can generate an affiliate link directly from the Associates stripe by clicking on Text. This gives me a shortened affiliate link with my store ID and tracking ID included. You can also generate a full link, but I prefer the shortened version because it's cleaner and easier to use. This affiliate link is what we'll be placing on Pinterest. Now let's talk about Pinterest and why it works so well for this strategy. If you scroll through Pinterest, especially in niches like fashion, beauty, skincare, or lifestyle, you'll notice many pins are already linked to products. When you click on those pins, they usually take you to a shop page or a product-related post. This is the same strategy we're going to use. You don't need a paid Pinterest account for this. A free account works perfectly fine, and you can even start with just one product. Instead of searching for Amazon affiliate guides, I recommend focusing on a specific niche. Pinterest is very niche-driven, and that's where most beginners make mistakes. If you look at popular searches on Pinterest, you'll see niches like baddie outfits, 2000s fashion, skincare routines, hair care routines, and aesthetic lifestyle content. Whatever product you choose on Amazon, your Pinterest content should clearly match one niche. Now let's move on to product research. I want to promote something that's already selling well, so I'll search for skincare on Amazon. Skincare is consistently popular, and people are always looking for recommendations. The top results are usually sponsored, so I scroll down to find products that are performing well organically. These are products people are already buying without ads. For example, this e.l.f. Hydrated Ever After mini kit is affordable and includes multiple products. That makes it a good option to promote because it appeals to beginners and gift buyers. Once you've chosen a product, open the product page and save the main product image. You don't need a lot of images. One clean product image is enough. You can also save model images if you want, but it's not required. Simple designs usually perform better on Pinterest. Next, head over to Canva. In Canva, search for Pinterest pin and select the Pinterest pin option. Then click on Create a blank Pinterest pin. Before designing, it's a good idea to get inspiration. Go back to Pinterest and search for your niche, like skincare. Look at the top performing pins and notice how simple and clean they are. Most of them focus on one product, list a few benefits, and use minimal text. Now go back to Canva and upload your product image. Click on the image, select Edit Image, and remove the background using the background remover. Once the background is removed, crop and resize the image so it fits nicely on the pin. Now it's time to add product information. Go back to the Amazon product listing and scroll down to the About This Item section. Most products already list their key ingredients or features. For example, this product highlights ingredients like triglycerides, niacinamide, and green tea. Choose the top 3 ingredients or benefits. You don't want to overload the pin. Pinterest users prefer quick, easy-to-read information. Add short benefit statements for each ingredient. Keep them simple and straight to the point. Add this text to your Canva design. Choose a clean font, adjust the spacing, and make sure everything is easy to read on mobile. Add a heading like Benefits at the top. Then position the product image so it stands out as the main focus. You can also add subtle decorative elements like flowers or shapes to enhance the design. Make sure these elements stay in the background and don't distract from the product. Once your pin looks clean and balanced, download it as a PNG. Now head back to Pinterest, click on Create Pin, and upload your image.
paste your Amazon affiliate link into the destination link section. You can add the pin to a new board or an existing board related to your niche. Make sure your board name is relevant so Pinterest understands who to show your pin to. And that's the full updated method. This is how you use Pinterest to promote Amazon affiliate links using Canva. Now, I want to be honest with you. While this method does work, Amazon affiliate commissions are very low. In most categories, commissions are usually less than 3%. That means even if you're getting traffic, you need a lot of clicks and sales just to make a small amount of money. This is something I personally experienced, and it's the reason I started looking for a better way. I realized that while Pinterest itself is extremely powerful, promoting low-commission products isn't the best long-term strategy. That's when I discovered a much better way to make money using Pinterest. Instead of promoting physical products with tiny commissions, this method focuses on using Pinterest combined with free AI tools like ChatGPT to build real online income. What's surprising is 99% of people don't know about this method, and complete beginners are already using it successfully. This approach allows you to create content faster, automate a lot of the work, and scale without relying on Amazon or low affiliate payouts. Compared to Amazon affiliate marketing, this method is more profitable, more flexible, and much easier to grow long-term. If you want to learn how this works, click the link in the description and watch the free video.